Yeah, Mitch Donovan from Donovan Livestock Property here in Grafton. Today we had a store cattle sale and drew a fairly big yarding to us for November. There's 2,000 head here today, so that was a pretty big sale. Looked like a bit of a clean out to me. Looked like a Christmas clean out. The fat job has come off the boil a bit, like everybody sort of knows. And although we've had a great season here, we've had a few hot days, and I think a few producers sort of started to panic a bit and thought they might have offloaded a few. The market held up quite good for the quality especially. There was some pretty plain quality cattle here today in my mind, but the good quality cattle still sold very well. Plenty of those better quality 200 kilo weaner steers making over $7, and the heifers not far behind them. Some very nice cows and calves here. Stud quality cows and calves made up around $3,700, but generally the cow and calf job for a good turnover type cow was sort of around 27 or 800, and the few older rougher cows at the end were back to sort of 16, 1700. So again, a good result there. But our season's very good here, and we're on the wind down now till Christmas, and I think in the new year things should get back to business, and away we go.
Are you partnered with an RMA Network independent livestock and property agent?